In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add double top chart pattern, quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add the double top pattern to your chart so you can spot potential reversal areas more quickly and cleanly. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart with the market and time frame you want to analyze open. It could be stocks, crypto, forex, or anything else, but have a clean chart in front of you so you can follow along in real time. To get started, move your mouse to the top of the chart and look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for all the built-in tools that Tradingview offers. Once that window is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar and type the word double. You don't have to type the full name of the pattern. Just the word double is enough to narrow things down. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the list and show you anything related to double, including different chart patterns and indicators. Among the search results, look for the one labeled Double Top Chart Pattern. This is the built-in pattern recognition tool that automatically scans your chart for potential double tops. When you see Double Top Chart Pattern in the list, simply left-click on it once. Tradingview will add it to your chart immediately. After you click it, you should notice some new markings on your chart whenever a potential double top forms. These might look like highlighted zones, labels, or pattern outlines, depending on how Tradingview is currently displaying it. If nothing shows up right away, don't worry. It just means there isn't a clear double top on the visible part of your chart at the moment. You can scroll back in price history or switch to a different time frame to see where the pattern has been detected. From here, you can customize how it looks by hovering over the indicator name at the top of your chart and opening the settings. Adjust colors, line styles, or visibility so it matches the rest of your chart layout and is easy for you to read at a glance. If you want to unlock more advanced features, extra alerts, and smoother charting overall, check out the link in the description to upgrade to Tradingview Pro using my affiliate link. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you a much better experience when you're scanning for patterns like the double top. And that's all it takes to add the double top chart pattern on Tradingview quickly and easily.